So apparently there's a second bunch of these carriers, and one of them is super loud. This one. And one of them is very, very brand new and nice. This one sounds horrible. This one sounded like my carrier performance at my dad's house. The one that I filmed. It sounds like that one went on July 15th. This compressor is not looking good. 3-ton from 2008. The one that I had in my is doing nothing. This thing is loud as hell. This thing is dying. Meanwhile, this one is like really, really nice. And then this one's okay. GE fan motor. Open scroll. That's a 9.3-ton. That's doing alright. And then this one over here, turning. This one is a hook, open scroll, and a GE fan motor. 2009, 3-ton. Yeah, that caught me off guard. I didn't expect to hear something like that. This one's a little shaky, but it's a Copeland scroll, GE motor, and 2009 3-ton, and that is nice and cold. Yeah, this one has problems. Cool. Emerson scroll, 2014. 1.5-ton. That was a small line because it's a small unit. And here's this unknown ICP unit. I have no idea what the brand is on this thing. Brand new ICP unit right here. Very nice. It's a heat pump. I think these have, based on the way the fan is spinning, I imagine this has the swept blades. And it's a broad ocean fan motor. And yep, 2025, 5-ton. I bet that unit's gonna be another one of these. But yeah, this is a very, very nice looking unit. Just installed. When is it manufactured? March of 2025, so it's probably installed in April or sometime a little after that. I don't know, but yeah. This is the star of the video. This loud ass thing. This is gonna be an interesting one. I'm gonna just put noisy 2008 carrier and brand new 2025 ICP. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.